welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a very delicious pineapple salad. It's a very tasty salad and very easy to make. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Let's get started. Let's see the ingredients for the recipe. I've taken 1 pineapple, medium size, which is cut into cubes, 2 large onions, which is sliced, 2 tomatoes, which is cut into cubes, 1 green chili, which is finely chopped, and some coriander leaves for garnish, and salt according to taste. Now in a bowl, let's add the chopped pineapples, the sliced onions, the green chilies, which is optional. Now let's add salt according to your taste. Now let's add the finely chopped tomatoes and also the chopped coriander leaves for garnish. Now mix all the ingredients together and check the seasoning. This salad is a great side dish for any chicken dish. So that's it, friends. Our delicious pineapple salad is absolutely ready. Do try this delicious recipe. It's a great side dish for non-vegetarian dishes too. So do try this delicious recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below. See you all soon with another interesting recipe.